First, locate your filter cover in the upper right-hand corner of your refrigerator. Push in the tab to drop down the cover. Using both hands, hold the filter in place and turn the dial to the left to release the water filter and remove. Note: excess water may spill from the old filter, so have a towel handy. Discard the old water filter. Open your new filter and remove the protective covering from the O-rings. Install the new water filter by lining up the raised section of the water filter with the raised opening of the water filter housing. Push the water filter into the opening until seated. Using both hands, hold the water filter in place while turning the dial to the right to lock the water filter into place. Make sure the two dimples, or dimple and lock symbol, are aligned. Push the filter door cover up so it snaps shut. Reset the water filter by holding the button for 3 seconds.